I think you were very filmy.
My goal is to be a lambi race ka ghoda and eventually also make films. But I'm a snacker. And also pani puri. I love pani puri.
मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे पहले, अभी आए.
Like I always had a performer's instinct. मैं बेशक जाती थी, मैं डांस करती थी, मैं गाती थी.
Moments of virality, you're right. It comes and goes. It gives you a high.
Are you the toxic thali?
I used to be. I wouldn't lie.
Because you never know कब किस्मत का तारा चमकेगा.
या आप कब भूखे मर जाओगे. Today's guest is not just a college girl, she was the college girl. Xavier's royalty, Malhar chairperson, the kind of person who turns train rides into love stories. On screen, she's been a lawyer, journalist, a sex worker, a cop, the spunky girl next door, and off screen, she's one of the most graceful, grounded, and glorious, curious humans I know. Please welcome Priya Pilgaonkar. Did I pronounce it right?
Thank you. Very well. Thank you.
So welcome to Bunk with Urfi, powered by Secret Temptation in association with Type Beauty. Before we start today's full drama syllabus, a very serious question. What's your go-to comfort order after a heartbreak?
I mean, अगर मैंने कॉज किया है तो वो खाना अलग होगा और अगर मुझे दर्द हुआ है तो वो शायद खाना अलग होगा. But I'm a snacker. I love.
Yeah, you were just telling me about those truffle chips, Barner and
Totally. तो मतलब मुझे लोगों का cheat day होता है. I have a cheat hour. Every day I have a cheat
1 hour
where I may allow myself something that I feel like eating. That 5 to 6. हाँ. But otherwise of course मतलब हमेशा नहीं होता ऐसा. But I like your वरण भात फिश करी wholesome
Maharashtrian food.
wholesome गोवन फूड मेरे घर पे ज्यादा बनता है तो
So you're basically Maharashtrian or Goan?
गोवन महाराष्ट्रन. सो फादर्स साइड की एंसेस्ट्री गोवा से है, मदर्स साइड
Is
महाराष्ट्र से.
Maharashtrian.
हाँ, बट फूड इन्फ्लुएंस घर पे लॉट ऑफ कोकोनट, लॉट ऑफ फिश, लॉट ऑफ वेजीज.
I like Goan food.
हाँ, ज्यादा मसाले. बट दैट्स पोर्चुगीज गोवन.
That's okay.
ये
Authentic.
कोंकणी.
Konkani Goan is different.
Konkani Goan will be different. So tamarind and vinegar. These are the two different sort of elements.
And then it must be very tangy and sour.
बहुत
with
नहीं,
fish.
but like lots of coconut.
But what is your favorite Maharashtrian snack? Kothambadi.
No. ये cliches है. मतलब
Oh,
कोथिंबीर
okay.
वड़ी may not be, but I'd say like I love fried fish. I like varan
Bombil.
bhat.
Bombil.
Bombil I love.
I like
love
Bombil.
But
Which is your favorite restaurant in Mumbai right now?
Mizu.
Mizu bhi I like.
And also pani puri. I love pani puri.
I have not
I
had
love
good pani puri in Mumbai.
So my favorite one is 5 minutes away from here, and it's called Awesome Chaat Corner, and it is awesome. It's that good.
Awesome. Where is it?
विंडोमिया बिल्डिंग के नीचे ओशीवारा में. एंड
have-
ट्रस्ट
yeah,
मी
yeah, I've
एल्को
been
वगैरह
there.
सब पीछे. सो पंजाब स्वीट हाउस
Elko is the worst. I'm
एग्जैक्टली.
sorry, Elko
सॉरी
is-
एल्को. या
First of all, तुम लोग मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हो, बूंदी डाल के दे रहे हो.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. एंड द इट्स पानी का मजा है ना. सो बेसिकली यू नीड all the elements right. So Punjab Sweet House is my favorite, and this awesome chaat.
You know where is the best pani puri according to me?
Where?
Gangor.
मैंने
Shri
खाई
Gangor.
नहीं है, but I can
They
believe
serve
because
puchka style pani puri. It is different. It's not like इसमें मटर नहीं होता है.
correct.
It is aloo and the water is tamarind. एक ही पानी है. Tamarind भी डाल के है. It's different. You should try it.
I'll try it.
And इसका पानी पूरी इतना बड़ा है गंगोर का.
Like वो पुचका स्टाइल. हाँ.
It is one of the best pani puris.
Next
अभी मैं
time.
जाऊंगी. So पानी पूरी से मुझे याद आया.
Subtle segue into
Subtle
next.
segue जो कि बिल्कुल related नहीं है पानी पूरी से. But I have few of your pictures.
Oh.
So you have to tell me the story behind these pictures. This is a cute picture. I think yeah, of course you must be like 1 or 2 years.
मतलब I was a very chubby baby and
Yeah, cute.
so chubby that जब मैं बैठती थी उर्फी I would topple because मुझे वजन संभाला नहीं जाता. तो डॉक्टर ने कहा इसे एक्सरसाइज स्पोर्ट्स में डालो, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड स्विमिंग कंपैरेटिवली. मतलब मैं हार्डकोर फिर स्पोर्ट्स में चली गई. बट आई मीन लाइक दिस फोटो मेक्स मी थिंक दैट लाइक आई ऑलवेज हैड अ परफॉर्मर्स इंस्टिंक्ट.
Yeah, you were an actor even back then.
I was a performer, I would say, because बचपन में कहते हैं ना कि बच्चों को अच्छा गाना गाओ, सिंग करो. I
Yeah.
was not that child से नहीं करूँगी. मैं बेशक जाती थी, मैं डांस करती थी, मैं गाती थी. And I have a habit, like when I talk, this one finger sometimes ends up being this. So,
This
बचपन
is
से एक
that.
उंगली.
But it's a cute sari look, huh?
I
पूरा
know.
बिंदी बिंदी के साथ. You look cute.
Always animated. Hi.
Oh, this is Shah Rukh Khan and you.
Oh, this was actually a very special moment. This was my Hindi debut film fan, and this is special because मुझे याद है हम एक actual दिल्ली के I think इंदर विहार कॉलोनी, I don't remember the name, वहाँ एक actual कॉलोनी में शूट कर रहे थे.
Oh, wow.
और शाहरुख सर would literally on the mic have to say हम शॉट ले रहे हैं 2 मिनट के लिए प्लीज रुक जाइए because people would be like Shahrukh. So in between the take, him and I sat in the car and it was so special because it was just two of us, moment of silence. And I remember we were randomly like talking about books and we were talking about acting. It was very casual. And Manish Sharma, the director, took this picture. And I love it because
It is a cute
it's
picture,
a very
though.
sort of surreal yet very calming memory for me to
Shah
know
Rukh
that
is very charming, man.
Oh my
that
gosh.
man is fucking charming.
he is so charming and वो genuinely मतलब अगर you know what people usually say, right, don't meet your idols. I feel like sometimes you should, so you know what to learn or unlearn. And when I met him for the first time, what I loved is still a student at heart and
Oh, he is very
always a learner, always wanting to do better. And you would imagine somebody like him perhaps has achieved everything.
Yeah.
So what could motivate him? But I really liked that, you know, he was so collaborative with all of us. So
I've
special.
heard he's sweet. I've
Oh.
never met my idol. I
You-
don't know, but I've heard
you love him?
stories. Me, I
Yeah.
love Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah. But
So charming.
earlier, now he's my idol. Now that I've started seeing his interviews and everything.
Yeah.
Earlier, I used to love Shahid Kapoor. Not idol, but I was in love with him.
Babe, same. My friends had made a scrapbook for me in
Oh, wow.
college जहाँ पे शाहिद की photo.
Shahid was when जब उसकी इश्क विश्क movie release
Oh,
हुई थी, he was
yeah.
the ultimate
I love Shahid.
chocolatey boy. Like he was just so, and then I don't know, he was just so cute.
And also जब भी met me Shahid's character and Kareena, both of them, it was just so
But
nice.
then I found out he's like a vegan, and I'm like, bitch, I can't do. I'm sorry. तुम मीरा
Red
से
flag
शादी-
for you, is it?
Of course,
अच्छा,
तुम मीरा से
okay.
शादी कर लो. I'm not impressed. I
अच्छा, you
rejected
gave
him.
permission. अच्छा, fair
I was
enough.
like, in my mind, I was like, you know what? I'm
अभी
over you now.
unfortunately headline ना बन जाए.
अरे नहीं, इसमें क्या? I've said it a lot of times. शाहिद बेचारा must be thinking कि क्या रोज आ जाती है.
I love the honesty, like
Yeah, but
can't
I
do
used to-
vegan.
I used to really
I love
like
it.
him, but vegans I can't do vegans. It's not
Yeah,
possible.
fair enough.
Oh, this is nice. Like a mermaid skirt. Where did you get this?
Just another day when I get to be a mermaid. So this was very interesting because I love to travel. और जब मैं travel करती हूँ, I'm super adventurous. So I'll either be like skydiving or scuba diving and things like
Skydiving
that.
and scuba diving.
I'm a huge adventure junkie.
You have jumped from like a plane to
Twice, 18,000 feet.
the- Never in my life.
Trust me, just try it once. It's incredible. I love it.
आप ही करिए, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, मुझे इन सब चीजों में बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आती. मैं अपनी नई पैराशूट खुला तो you are one in that million.
I mean, but that's the thrill of it, no? I mean, at least I
You
feel.
can die, you want to die. That's the thing.
Not at all, but I mean, anybody who likes adventure sports, for them, it's the
I
good,
will
good
only do it
butterfly.
when I know it's like completely safe. Otherwise, आजकल तो मैं देख रही हूँ राइड्स पे भी, वो राइड्स में कोई उड़ जा रहा
But
है.
are we really completely safe? I mean, anything we go out, we don't know what's gonna happen. So then you might as well have that
no,
leap
but
of
in your head you know कि आज तो नहीं मर रहा है. You can die, but
पता होता है क्या?
in your head, but you believe it.
Yes.
We somewhere believe it. कि
Yes.
आज तो नहीं मर रहा है. That's how we live our life. If we knew that, oh, अगर हम ये सोचेंगे कि हम आज ही मर रहे हैं, then तो we would do so many things. We would actually be different personalities.
Exactly. You know, by the way, sorry, connecting to this, let me first like answer this question. So this is, I was in New Zealand and they said they have an activity called mermaiding. Now, I have been very fascinated by Ariel and, you know, sort of that cartoon. And I said, okay, mermaiding, what does that like even mean? So, it's basically free diving where they first make you wear fins और फिर आप पानी में थोड़ा practice करते हो. And then just for feels, you get into the full mermaid outfit and it's a free dive. So, you don't have, without any gear or breath sort of support, you go down. And I'm a water baby also. So, ये सारी अतरंगी चीज़ें छुट्टी पे मैं करती हूँ.
I'm not a water baby. I don't know, I'll drown. And also, मैं नहा लेती हूँ, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. I hate water, man. I hate water. मुझे पीना भी नहीं पसंद है, मुझे
So on
नहाना.
holidays, what do you like to do? Shop, eat, chill, ऐसा?
शॉप तो नहीं, मुझे मॉल जाना भी पसंद नहीं है.
So then how do you, like when you're traveling, you just want to take it easy or what do you like to do?
That's the question. What do I like to do? Because I'm just mostly eating.
Well, fair enough,
Yeah,
but
eating.
then, So you don't like to travel that much?
नो आई मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे पहले, अभी आए
अभी वही तो कह रही
अभी,
हूँ.
और अभी थोड़ा टाइम की कमी हो गई, तो अब जब पैसा और टाइम वो दो चीजें जो जरूरी हैं वो अभी आएगा, देन आई विल ट्रैवल मोर.
Okay, interesting. Now you have to take time out to travel.
नाउ आई विल टेक आउट टाइम. मेरा वीजा ये सब रिजेक्ट हो जाता है, मैं क्या करूं?
I saw that. I'm sorry, but besides Can, I'm sure you'll find another
I
way.
hope so कोई मुझे
पहाड़ों
visa
में
दे
गोवा
दे.
चले जाओ if
आई गो टू माउंटेन्स एंड गोवा, तो अपना रोज का है, बट ऐसे अब मुझे बाहर ट्रैवल करना है.
बेसिकली पानी नहीं, प्लेन से कूदना नहीं है और मछलियों को पकड़ना नहीं है. बेसिकली वो सब छोड़ के कुछ भी
आई
चले.
लाइक फिशेस इन माय माउथ. मैं मुंह से पकड़ लेती हूँ.
Interesting.
ओह दिस इज बचपन से ही शौक था.
So this was Papa I would love to visit set because I could then sort of look at the cameras and explore.
So you would visit your parents on the set and
Yeah, but not all the time because I used to be a competitive swimmer. Like you can tell how tanned I am in that picture. For the first 10 years of my life, I've only spent time in the pool.
oh wow.
And mere paas, I used to have like just like shorts and tees and like no sort of no girly clothes because I was just very sporty. And then this picture connects to that.
Yeah,
because
then this is
one
like
day
a-
Papa said to me that तू तू मैं वो जो series थी
Oh,
जो
I
पापा ने
loved
direct की
it.
थी with
Yeah, I
San's
loved
mom.
it.
He said मुझे एक neighbor का बच्चा चाहिए. Will you come? So they call me Chiu. So will you come? I said हाँ ठीक है. And I borrowed this frock because I only had sporty clothes. And I came and said auntie मम्मी ने अचार मांगा है. That was my line.
I love Tutu Meme. I have watched all the episodes by the way. It was my favorite. Matlab, it was just one of the best shows at
That's
that
true.
time.
And it was actually
Comic.
feel good Saas Bahu banter. There was like nothing very
it was
negative
chill,
about
man.
it. Yeah.
It was amazing. I missed, now that you said it, it hit me like whoa. Now coming back to your kids, तुमने बता दिया ठीक है बचपन में you were a tomboy. But
Not
what-
tomboy.
Then?
Not tomboy. I was just focusing a lot on sports, as a result of which I think sporty in terms of like I've spent my time only training, essentially.
Were you an introvert, extrovert? Like what were you?
Ambivert, a little bit of both. Basically, I love people.
So you love talking to people.
I love talking
Yeah, you
to
don't seem like an
people.
introvert. No.
No, but of course, I have my boundaries in the sense that I can share everything while keeping a lot of things. I will not unnecessarily overshare. I've become better at it. पहले बहुत करती थी, नाले अभी overshare नहीं करती.
I still overshare everything.
I'm
It's
conscious
such a-
about not oversharing now, but I love especially talking to older people, like dadi dada types. I would love to talk to them and like just
get to know their life
get to know
stories.
them.
I think you were very filmy. बचपन से you were.
Filmy कीड़ा तो था, but my upbringing hasn't been filmy in the sense that usually when you assume that you have parents who are from the industry, it's like घर पे रोज पार्टियां हो रही है. That was not the vibe.
No, your parents were like more serious actors.
No, like my dad has had his share of like he's working from the age of 5, so he's like seen the industry in all its phases. But what I mean to say is that for me, the creative atmosphere was far more than maybe the attending parties
Okay, that
side of
was
it.
more-
And it's
you-
not
you-
like I was hanging with other industry kids. वो नहीं था.
Why didn't that happen? Why do you think? I mean, because they all party together now. They all have grown up in a very friendly way. They all go to each other's parties also a lot. Why didn't that happen for you?
Because you don't make friends based on where they're coming from. You just make them based on where natural growing up years have happened.
You
where
never
that
had any like nepo
upbringing.
baby friends.
Well, when I was really young, I would go to Jackie Uncle Tiger's birthdays, and the cutest thing was Tiger से कभी मिली ही नहीं हूँ because इतने लोग होते थे तो birthday पे जाती थी but Tiger कहाँ है ये ढूंढते रहते थे हम.
Wow.
And recently when I met his mom, I reminded her saying that I've come for Tiger's birthdays and Tiger would be so difficult to get a hold on to wish him because it used
Even
to
now?
be a mela.
Wow, even
So
now it's a
I
mela.
told him this in fact. when I
What
met
did he
him.
say?
No, he laughed. He's so sweet. He laughed about it.
He's a sweet. I've
He's
never met him,
really
but yeah,
sweet.
his father is sweet man.
Yeah.
I love Jackie da.
So, I mean, it's been, I grew up in a very grounded way where there's a lot of focus on art, culture, and in a very simple way, to be
So
very
how were you in college? Matlab, you were a studious girl, or you were like मेरे तरह backbencher, bunking everything.
My college Xavier's में there was no luxury to bunk. Also, the cutoff and all is super high. 85 was the
Attendance?
Attendance तो was super
What
strict.
was it?
पता नहीं कितना था, but I loved college and
Why are we only getting people like studious people on the
No,
show?
but it's not studious. So Xavier's, let me tell you, if you haven't been to the Xavier's campus, it's a college which is not just a building. It has a history of 150 years. It's like a mini Hogwarts. It's that gorgeous.
But you were studious.
I enjoyed studying. Studious means मैं बाकी कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. I enjoyed studying, but at the same time I'm an art student. But I have used to participate in all the extracurriculars.
You used to love-
Music हुआ, Malhar College Festival हुआ.
Yeah, Malhar.
I love.
What is Malhar College Festival?
It's like a college festival where all the different colleges come together.
So
and
you were like
we
the
have-
president.
in my final year, but growing up, like every year, then I would volunteer once. I was behind the scenes. I was not performing, but that was a fantastic learning
बंक
experience.
करती थी कि नहीं करती थी कॉलेज?
कभी एक्सपेल हो जाते हैं हम, हमें अलाउड ही नहीं था बंक करना. आई हैड अ ग्रेट ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स एंड आई मीन लाइक आई सेड, इफ यू कम टू माय कॉलेज you will tell me, yeah, I understand why you didn't leave, because it's a gorgeous college, huge campus. So we had a great time and in town. So पास में तभी Vodafone tickets 1+1 आते थे. So every Tuesday we would like bunk, watch lectures,
movie.
movies, or like just chill in the canteen sometimes.
But of course,
we couldn't.
now I can see the culture in you. You would even bunk to watch movies. Cinema. I can
love my
feel it.
college too much though.
Yeah,
You know,
मेरा
for
ठीक था.
a lot of people, they think of, you know, सबकी लाइफ में एक ऐसा मोमेंट आता है where they kind of have to look inwards and these questions of what do I want to do, who am I, they surface. कुछ लोगों के लिए वो कॉलेज में होता है, कुछ लोगों के लिए स्कूल में होता है, कुछ बहुत जल्दी. For me, the first day I went to college, I was surrounded by such incredible people, Urfi, that I felt
Like your teachers and the people, students. Oh,
there were artists, there were musicians, and it made me feel like, do I really know myself? Because what is my thing? तभी acting वगैरह कुछ नहीं था. I was just trying to figure what I like. सब कुछ थोड़ा बहुत.
and घर से
अच्छा
भी
था.
ऐसा कोई pressure नहीं था. You never wanted to be an actor. मतलब बचपन से ही it was not there.
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. I liked films, I liked storytelling. I thought one day maybe I'll make films, but acting का तभी नहीं था. After my training as a Kathak dancer, तब acting.
This was in college only. Training.
Kathak was during college. But when I met these different people, I realized how unique everyone is. I realized how everyone is unapologetically themselves like you are. That is something that inspired me so much that I felt like, wow.
But were you this fashionable in college also?
You will be very, very upset
Don't
if you
tell me.
ever saw what I used to wear. And also we had some sort of a strict dress code, no sleeveless and stuff
कुछ
like
नहीं
that. But मेरा पता है क्या एक अजीब चीज करती थी मैं. I used to wear a fake nose ring. I used to wear a stick-on bindi here.
वो diamond वाली जो आती है.
Diamond bindi, I was obsessed with it. So for one full year, I was in my fake diamond bindi phase, and I have flat feet, and at that point, I went to the doctor. The doctor ने कहा कि if you don't want knee pain in the future, I'm giving you these orthopedic shoes. They were so ugly, Urfi. मैं कॉलेज में जाती थी. I used to change. I said बस घुटने दर्द हो चलेगा. ये मैं पहन के कॉलेज में नहीं आने वाला.
Flat. I've never heard about flat feet. Like, what is that?
Flat feet is essentially when the arch of your foot is not like that. It's flat. But I'm fine. I still don't have it. But my knees and all are.
I used to wear 6 inches heels even in college first day. Like I was this girl, yeah, मतलब पूरा बन ठन के जा रही है बैग ऐसे. I was this
मतलब
weirdo.
वो with the
Yeah.
ये वाला ना.
Mean girls.
Or in college giving mean girl.
Yeah,
energy.
mean girl energy, and I've seen.
I love it.
So Shreya, you have played like I don't know n number of roles, uncountable and good roles. It's not just like you've done anything. You've done really meaty roles, but do you feel you've been stereotyped at any point? You felt कि एक ही तरह के roles आ रहे हैं.
Actually, right now I'm at an interesting phase because I am extremely ambitious and focused about being reimagined, as all of us do. But I'm very grateful, Urfi, because in the first 10 years of my career, like you said, I got to do something like a Mirzapur or a lawyer in Guilty Minds or, you know, a news reporter, cop. And what I love is that when we as actors are playing these parts, I'm not playing the profession, I'm playing the person. And all these women have actually been very different. And I acknowledge the fact that आसान नहीं होता है to even get parts like these.
But no, but because you get these parts because people see that you're a good actor. As in people can give you these parts because they can trust you with that character. They can trust you with that role. You are a good actor. That's a fact.
Thank you. But one place where I feel like I want to make a breakthrough is because most of the characters I've played or the work I've done, especially in the series space, they've been parts grounded in reality. you know, so they've not been glamorous in nature if we
Yeah.
define glamorous in the way that we know it today. So I feel as an actor I'm also hungry to explore my look like that. I'll give you an example. So I did this period drama called Beecham House, okay? British series, Gurinder Chadha. उसमें मेरा period vintage look था. मुझे इतना मजा आया because I got to explore that look differently. अभी भी I have something releasing in July and I specifically took that part because the look,
What is the look?
I'll show you a picture later. It is completely different where perhaps people may not even be able to recognize me. So I'm very hungry to now explore my look because what I do notice is, look, showbiz and the industry loves to keep you where you are, loves to stereotype you, correct?
Yeah, they do.
But no matter what you do. So somewhere I think I try and make choices where I'm breaking what I have done. Abhi Taza Khabar mein I played a sex worker precisely because मुझे वो vibe थोड़ी चाहिए थी कि मैं कुछ मजा करूँ on screen.
I've seen this with actors, like they initially they of course accept whatever they want to.
Yeah.
But then after a certain point, money doesn't matter. You guys just be like, no, we want to do different
And of
roles.
course, that's a privilege. I do
That's a
understand.
privilege,
because,
yes.
Maybe 7 years ago, I wouldn't be thinking like that. But now I feel I'm grateful I have enough work behind me where now I'm adamant and stubborn. And अगर सामने से obviously नहीं आ रहा है, then what are the efforts I can make? So for me, I use perhaps social media or Instagram or when I'm going out to explore fashion, to kind of spoon
when
feed
you're,
people,
yeah, when we're
right?
attending events and all.
That is my way of showing, hey, I can also look like this. Because the truth is, a lot of people, no matter who, even with the biggest actors, it can happen, Urfi.
Yeah.
क्या होता है कि अच्छा 3 काम देख लिया आपने, अच्छा अभी उनको यही ऑफर करते हैं. So I feel like I make that effort to kind of say, okay, no, I can do this too. Okay, no, I can do. They will not imagine you differently. You have to make that effort.
I think Kareena Kapoor also is now doing roles that satisfy her soul, or she wants to do it.
Totally.
No,
And she's actually done amazing work even initially.
In OTT right now, because initially I felt for a lot of years she was also given that girl next
Really,
door.
I felt she's done a lot actually. If you look at her early film,
early, yes.
हाँ.
Beach mein, I felt that her graph
Yeah.
just went like everyone was offering
Yeah.
the same roles to her.
Yeah.
Poo type, ज़्यादा बोलने वाली.
Yeah.
And now I think she's doing it again. She has that liberty on
Yeah.
OTT that she's कौन सा क्या नाम था उसका? This with Vijay. It was a very good. Jaane Jaan. Oh, she was very good.
They were
I really liked it.
all three of them were fantastic in
very
it.
good.
But that's what I'm trying to say, that at every stage in your acting career, also, it depends on what your goal is. Now, somehow,
What your goal is?
my goal is to be a lambi race ka ghoda and eventually to be working all my life and to also make films. And I
You
feel
also want to
like
get into filmmaking.
I would also like to direct. I would never want to stop acting, but that is something I want to explore in my creative journey. It's also fun for me, I would say, in a way to, how do I say it? Moments of virality don't excite me as much because I feel that comes and goes.
Yeah, that
But
does,
for
that
me, nahi, yours, you have cashed on it. And I'll tell you what, you're one of those people who was able to take what others held against you and create something out of it. Now that I
But
respect.
moments of virality, you're right, it comes and goes, it gives you a high.
It gives you a
live for that
high.
high and then you want that high again. It's not beneficial in the long run.
So then you have to figure.
You have
we
to
have
reinvent.
figure.
I have to figure. I'm
know?
still figuring.
Fair enough.
I mean, it does give me that high.
Yeah.
It's like a drug, man.
Yeah.
You know, एक बार वो 100
Correct.
million cross हो गया, like you're again chasing that 100
Yeah,
million.
yeah.
It's like that drug, but then you ultimately realize that this cannot be the goal. You have to rediscover and reinvent.
And हमारे at different
So you
stages,
don't chase virality. You are okay with even if a film is not giving you a lot of fame or a lot of numbers in terms of Instagram. social media.
numbers are important because it's showbiz at the end of the day. So the business aspect is, but because I started acting way before even social media came into the picture, for me the number one thing is I have to be good at my craft because that's going to carry me longer. And what happens is social media numbers today are such a huge part of even just your profile or how you're presenting yourself.
I think I've heard that आजकल कास्टिंग पे ऐसा होता है, लोग पूछते हैं पहले कि अच्छा आपके फॉलोअर्स कितने हैं, फिर वो आपको ऑडिशन देते हैं. this
I
has
hope
happened.
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
I've heard that for
I
new
hope
actors.
ऐसा नहीं होता.
I've heard a lot of new actors talking this, that they've been asked about their social media, मतलब Instagram
But
followers.
then I'll tell them that when there are too many opinions and like noises around you, you have to pick the voice that's most authentic and stick to it. Because आज नहीं तो कल, at some point, the number game will dilute. Eventually, you will stand out for what you do, and then that happens organically. At least that's how I think, and maybe that's because I came into this way before the social media
Yeah.
surge happened.
But Bollywood is obsessed with number games.
Of
That's what
course,
I feel.
which
Hollywood
is-
isn't. As in,
No,
most of
Hollywood
the-
is as well.
most of the actors don't care about being on Instagram.
Yeah.
Internet sensations or internet
Yeah.
personalities, they are on Instagram.
Yeah.
But most of these Hollywood actors,
Yeah.
they don't care.
I mean, I think having social media, your social media being strong is great for an additional revenue also. That's amazing. Full respect to
Yeah,
content
additional revenue.
creators जिनका पूरा bread butter वो ही है. वो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी जहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ वो करती हूँ, because मुझे act करना है. So that to me is a side thing that I'll use as my digital
It's just
scrapbook.
okay. It's just a
It'll
one
be
up.
fun.
Yeah.
But I also make money on social media, so I also want to make sure that I think of it as my work. It's work for me. I won't be super personal on it that much. I'll share stuff with my folks or my traveling, which I like. मतलब 20 साल बाद जाके देखूं क्या क्या किया.
So you have a personal account, or this is your only account on social media?
This is my only account.
Oh, I have a private account.
Of
Imagine
course
I have
you
a
do.
private
Are you
account.
stalking people through that?
I have a fake account. I have a private account, and I have a main account.
That's too much to manage, yeah.
No, it's not. Earlier I used to have 3 fake accounts. एक एक्स को उससे फॉलो कर रही थी, एक एक्स को उससे फॉलो कर रही थी, एक एक्स को किसी और से फॉलो कर रही थी.
अभी भी है वो अकाउंट?
नहीं अभी नहीं है. पहले यार 20 साल में. और फिर उनकी प्रेजेंट गर्लफ्रेंड को किसी से फॉलो कर रही हूँ, उनकी प्रेजेंट गर्लफ्रेंड का
That's too much to remember, Urfi.
I know if I start dating a guy, I will stalk him to that extent. Like I will know कि what does your uncle do, what does your...
Are you the toxic thali?
I used to be. I wouldn't lie. I used to be the
Toxic
toxic thali. I've improved now.
I love it.
I'm
Red
improved.
flag risotto. Interesting.
But now talking about your parents, like whenever we talk about your father and mother,
Yeah.
there's only respect. There's no controversy.
Yeah.
So was it difficult for you that there's so much respect? I'm carrying their name.
I didn't really approach my work being overwhelmed by that thought. और पता है जब इस तरह की लेगेसी और गुडविल होती है ना, यू कैन नॉट से मुझे ये चाहिए. दैट इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर वर्क. आप बैठ के ये बोल नहीं सकते मुझे ये लेगेसी क्रिएट करनी है. लेगेसी हैपेंस when you're actually putting in that work, how you carry yourself on a set. Legacy is how you're treating other people also, let me tell you. There are incredible people. Reputation is not just based on how you work
your
on
mother
screen.
is wonderful. I met her at... I told you I met her
She's
at my
too cool.
Pilates. She's so
She's too
cool.
cool and she's the funniest and she's a naughty child. Like I tell
But why isn't she coming to Pilates now? She stopped.
She stopped and in fact
Yeah.
I'm telling her to, she's actually joined where I go.
Okay, yeah, because I stopped
need to
seeing
come there.
her. I was
You
like,
need to
where
come
is the
there.
auntie? She was like, I was excited for her. She's
Yeah.
very sweet. She's
very
sweet to other people also.
Yeah, she yells at me.
It was not
Yeah,
difficult
yeah,
for
yeah.
you that, okay, what if I
No,
make...
it was not difficult की बात नहीं है. I will say कि I knew one thing, that when I decided at 23 that I want to become an actor, I knew that people are going to compare. There will be expectations.
Because your parents never had any controversy, matlab nothing. They are just respected, and it's very rare
Yeah.
to be in this industry for that long
Yeah.
without anyone saying anything bad about you. So was it like a moment you entered and you're like, oh, what if I make a mistake and their name will go into ruins? What if I ruin this
Yeah.
for them? What is that dar, somewhere that dar in your mind?
I will say that I have been conscious of this, especially in terms of I would never want to do anything to let them down. But they are not the kind of parents who will ever tell me ye mat karo, wo mat karo. Matlab, are there any scenes in a film that you should do, should not do? No. There is immense trust
They never
in our
told
equation.
you that, okay, don't do these type of scenes, that's not what we want.
I mean, I really, touchwood, feel blessed because they never had any such conversations and restrictions, but it was something that I felt from within. The way they carry themselves with that grace, with the way they speak to people on set,
Yeah.
how they are. That's how मुझे वो इज्जत रखनी है. काम होगा, नहीं होगा, things can be difficult. But for me, that is the kind of legacy I think about. And yes, because our field is so unpredictable. So I started with a Marathi film. उसके बाद मैंने fan की. Then there was a period where things were not really working out. But you know, my parents always said that, look, we can never ever completely protect you. It's your journey. You're going to have to go, fall, make your mistakes. So they let me be. So today they are very proud that I've created a different niche. I've not had a very typical Star Kid journey, but it's kind of been step by step. Auditions दिए हैं, जो भी है वो organically मुझे मिला है. So they are proud and I'm relieved because
Yeah, you've
I'm
created
relieved.
a different name for yourself. Like when I look at Shreya Pilgaonkar or anyone else, we don't just look at your parents now. Initially, maybe yes.
Yes.
We see you as the actor that you are. If someone has to cast you today, they'll not be like, oh, iske parents ye hai, to we're gonna cast her. No,
Yeah.
they genuinely cast you for your acting now. So you feel happy about that.
I do. And also tomorrow if I do mess up, then
Yeah,
that's
then-
my journey. Ne? Then kya? Then I'll do. And we've all messed up in our own ways. If I do mess up, then fair enough. But I'm conscious of the fact that ऐसा या बदतमीजी से ना कुछ करूं या उन चीज़ों में ज़्यादा disrespecting people. Are you understanding?
I understand, but sometimes we all make mistakes. Like,
Of course.
like Babil, you know, I just saw that he posted a story accidentally or whatever. He was
I don't even
crying.
think that was a mistake. He was having a moment.
Yeah, he was having a down.
yeah.
Wait, but people, what he meant to say that these are my friends.
Yeah.
And he said it sounded like something else.
The industry is uncomfortable with honesty.
I think so. And then he got a lot of, I think some director posted something about him and he had to walk away from that movie. So I think,
I don't know much about that history,
That
but I'd
happened.
say that what I actually like is today there is a crop of actors that's very comfortable being themselves, because there's also a lot of actors where everyone looks the same. Everyone's looking like each other.
Yeah.
And then there are actors who are actually standing out looking unique. Adarsh Gaurav, for example.
Yeah.
You know, and I really root for actors who with their uniqueness are celebrated, because that gives out a message that you don't have to fit in. And somewhere even you, with starting off from like trolls, today you step out with a creation where you have created a brand of your own. That is something you should totally give yourself credit for.
I'm like that. I have imposter syndrome, so I'm just always like, क्या ही है, कुछ नहीं
But
किया.
that's also healthy. उस घमंड में रहना भी नहीं है, fair enough.
घमंड तो नहीं है, but I just feel like right now I'm at the phase in my life where I don't know what next, and I feel like whatever I've done, was it even worth it? मतलब इसका क्या फायदा हो
But
रहा है?
this is actually a great phase, because I'm also in a phase like this where I feel like, okay, how do I take it to the next level?
What do I do? I'm like अभी जो करना था मैंने कर लिया है,
Fair enough.
outfits
Yeah.
दिखा दिए हैं, थोड़ा creative भी दिखा दिया है, reality
The
shows भी
fact
कर लिए.
that you're doing this comfortably is a step up.
Because I like talking to people, so I like this podcast. But I'm just like, you know, I'm also in that phase. Like, okay, if I can be honest, I'm very
Fair
hungry
enough.
for numbers. I
Like
want
numbers
to,
on your Instagram, or
Everywhere.
like in your account,
both.
bank account.
Bank account also, Instagram also. Because Instagram these days, your number on Instagram is equal to your bank account. By the way,
Okay.
it does get you. The more followers you have, the more likes and views you have.
Okay.
It does make you
Okay.
more
Fair
money.
enough.
People do. Brands do come like that.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm wondering, what next can I do? Because I'm not getting acting gigs. So I'm like, okay, what do I do if not acting?
This reminds me of something, you know, something that I feel like often happens is when people look at a person and their off-screen avatar, filmmakers often assume that on-screen भी ये यही करेंगे.
Yeah.
Okay? So कई बार ऐसे हुआ है that say if I'm going for a meeting and say I'm playing a double agent, or चलो a girl next door, it's like a rom-com situation. I will dress up like that character, subtly go into the meeting and almost play that part subconsciously to add that seed. And I do that because I don't trust if I totally go in like jeans and slightly sporty, they'll be able to imagine.
Even before getting the role, you get in the role.
I do that.
That is genius, man. That's
You
fucking
know,
genius.
you have to be it to
Wow.
make it happen, is what I feel. So similarly, I would say if you're attracting certain acting parts, kind of figure out what kind of parts you want
I
and
want
go
to
out
say
in those
maybe
looks.
I'll audition again. But
Yeah.
2 years back, I got 1 year back. I was too much in my head. I'm like, मैं audition दूंगी, हाँ. पार्ट देना है तो दो,
क्यों
वरना
लगता
निकलो.
है? You know, some of the biggest actors
I know
even in
that.
Hollywood auditioning is
Good.
not a bad thing, and audition is not equal to struggle.
अरे मेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाता है
तो
बीच
अभी
बीच में.
कुछ नहीं करो audition.
This was a very good advice, by the way. When you go do a meeting for a part, you start dressing up and
You
you
be
start
that part.
You be that part even from the first time you're meeting that.
Yeah.
But what is that one advice you would give new actors who actually want to act? Some people want to get into it.
Yeah.
I believe now that there are two segments.
Yeah.
Some people want to get into it for the fame of it.
Yeah.
And some people want to genuinely do it for the acting.
Yeah, fame can be a byproduct if you're well.
Not for some people. I feel like these days,
Yeah.
a lot of people before. Honestly, I would also say that I also got into this because I wanted to be famous instead of concentrating just on the acting part or just on the cinema.
Yeah.
And I believe I didn't make it. Now I've realized, you know, मैंने एक दिन बैठ के मैं deep thinking कर रही थी कल ही परसों कि मैं क्यों नहीं बन पाई एक्टर, क्या कमी रह गई मुझ में. तो फिर मैंने कहा फिर मैंने ऐसे सोचा कि अपने अंदर देखो, तुमने कभी सिनेमा से प्यार किया ही नहीं. यू वर नेवर रियली लवर ऑफ दिस आर्ट. यू जस्ट वांटेड टू बी फेमस. And isn't that what you are now?
Yes.
So I realized that I never really loved acting. I just wanted the fame. So there are a lot of people.
And you got what you wanted.
Yeah. Then it hit me. Oh yes,
Yeah,
I got what
it.
I wanted.
Yeah,
I didn't want it to.
Yeah.
I never wanted to be an actor.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say about people who just want to get into acting for the fame, and people who want to get into acting for acting?
I would say that even though showbiz is a lot about perception, don't compromise on the substance. The world will tell you social media and all of that, and it is important, but working on your craft is what's going to keep you in the long run. और अगर काम immediately नहीं मिल रहा है, दोस्तों के साथ short films बनाओ, workshops करो, watch plays, go watch films.
This is what I say. Instant gratification kills dreams.
I agree, and
If you want everything instantly, आपने एक audition दिया.
I agree.
मैंने देखा यहाँ पे एक्टर्स आते हैं 2 महीना ऑडिशन देते हैं, देयर लाइक हो गया, हमसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, हम नहीं, अभी हमने बहुत मेहनत कर ली है.
Actually, this industry is a combination of talent, luck and opportunity. So you have to be ready. वो कब आपको पार्ट मिलेगा आपको पता नहीं है, बट आपकी तलवार शार्प होनी चाहिए, is what I feel.
You're right.
And let me tell you, yes, there will be this endless debate of privilege of industry kids and all of that. Fair enough, that's totally valid. Oh, but we have enough fantastic examples of people who have come from no background and killed it. So keep those people, you know, as idols for you and be motivated because you will be given a lot of advice.
So now do you think is the right time for outsiders to come in and shine or not? Or is it still dominated by Nepo kids?
No, but the timing for outsiders was always there. It was always there.
They just had to find it.
You just have to go for it, and of course luck plays a big role. And yes, I mean, nothing in the world is fair or unfair. Nothing in the world.
It's a dogs eat dog world, man.
Totally,
Nothing is fair.
Totally, but also you just have to, it's such a crazy exciting industry to be in because you never know कब किस्मत का तारा चमकेगा
या
and then you
कब
have
भूखे
to
मर
be-
जाओगे.
बट इस सब में थोड़ा इमोशनल ग्राउंडिंग भी ज़रूरी है बिकॉज बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके पास सब कुछ उनके साथ अच्छा हो चुका है, मिल चुका है, बट फिर भी बिकॉज ऑफ सम काइंड ऑफ लैक ऑफ ग्राउंडिंग दे आर अनहैप्पी. सो आई थिंक माई गोल इज नॉट जस्ट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, इट्स टू बी सक्सेसफुल एंड हैप्पी. That grounding, because there's no end to how much we'll want. We'll keep wanting. We're never going to be satisfied, right?
I believe happiness is a myth. It's a trap.
Absolutely.
You can never be truly happy. Like, I mean, there is no end to it. That's what Jainism and Buddhism also say. I really believe that.
वो एक स्थिरता
Still we
is
chase
the sort of end of it. But yeah, I would.
स्थिरता से याद आया मुझे.
हाँ, segue. ये segue स्थिरता से याद आया. हाँ.
पता नहीं मुझे स्थिरता से क्यों याद आया.
हाँ.
एक प्रॉम ड्रेस तुम्हारी किसी लड़के ने बनाई थी कभी.
You will be very impressed.
I am actually very intrigued in the story. Okay, what is a prom? Why did he make a prom dress like for a prom night? Does that happen over here? Like, and why was a guy making your prom dress?
This was a guy I was dating in college, and he as a,
He was a designer.
No, he wasn't. But as a birthday / end of college prom
He
event
made
gift,
you a dress.
he met a designer, designed this bottle green dress for the prom.
Can we have a picture? Do you have a picture?
I'll send it to you later. And
Please.
it was amazing. I still kept it as a memory because I was so impressed. I said, that is just such a sweet thing to do. That was really sweet. So I thought you will be impressed with this anecdote that
I
ऐसा
am.
कि straight guys can also think like this.
I have never met a straight guy who would bring so much thought into gifting a dress to a girl.
Yeah.
No, because
Because
usually.
he also knew that I was looking to get something made.
So he met a designer and made it for you.
Yes, and that designer was somebody he knew, so he kind of took the advice.
Whatever I've gotten from my male friends also, or guys, boyfriends, exes. I mean, it's usually really
Suvidhaka.
ugly. No, वो भी नहीं
Suvidhaka
करते.
मिला.
It's usually really ugly that I cannot wear it. Like their choices, like I feel like no,
So
but
would
this
you
guy
be that
made it.
person who would be like, oh, it's nice, but is there a return?
No.
Are you? I
No,
think
no.
you would
I
say
would
that.
wear it. No, I accept it, and I even wear it once to make. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I would wear it to if it's his birthday or somewhere where we're going. एक बार पहन के क्या फर्क पड़ता है? कोई खुश हो रहा है यार.
But
I would
don't think
never
abhi
tell the
anybody
person.
would want to risk knowing that you have like eclectic fashion sense. They will be like, let her.
No, my friends still
They
do
do?
it, but sorry for friends, but yeah. So we bring you this segment. What's your type in association with type beauty? So I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Very easy. I'll also answer with you.
Okay.
He's a 10, but doesn't understand consent culture.
That's a red flag. Doesn't
That's
matter.
a 0.
No, 0.
He's a 10, but starts a show together and secretly watches ahead.
I also do that.
Yeah, so okay, he's still a 10.
I'm totally okay. We don't have to be a couple and watch it together. I'll watch it for one time.
Even I don't care about that. You can
That's
do
fine.
whatever the fuck you want.
Yeah.
He's a 10, but only watches movies with 8 plus IMDb rating.
I mean, that wouldn't put me off. That's okay. I mean, you can watch what you want
He's
to watch.
watching good stuff.
Yeah, clearly that means you have good taste.
Yeah, 10 on 10.
That's okay. 10 on 10.
He's a 10, but uses 7-in-1 shampoo, body, face, beard, laundry gel.
I think that's kind of cute. It's okay.
I think it's a fucking genius
I
idea.
love it. I love it.
I love it too.
And that also shows that maybe he doesn't have as much time. So which
Yeah,
means
he's a busy
working,
man.
He's a busy man.
And it's a genius idea.
I love it.
Everything in one, like,
I'd
problem sorted.
like a lotion which has everything in it.
I
as
would
well.
also like something
Yeah.
which has everything. एक खरीदा और ये हमारी जो लॉन्डियों की 50 चीजें बन गई है ना.
Tell me about
Oh
it.
God, नहीं हो पा रहा है.
10-step skincare
He's still a 10, bro.
Yeah.
He's a 10, but thinks period cramps are just mood swings.
I mean, I think men at some point in their life need to experience what period cramps
There are
feel
machines,
like.
Like I want to do this. Whenever I'm dating, I want to first put that machine.
This is
and
the
be
first
like,
thing. I would run out of that room immediately.
Why?
I mean, that sounds scary.
Like-
ये ऐसे होता है.
I would do that to a man like
Yeah.
who I'm dating. Be like, पहले तुम experience करो, and now if I'm ever on my periods,
Oh.
don't fucking bullshit with me, man.
No, and like mood swings are a big part of course, your
Yeah.
PMSing, but those cramps, oof, mine have gotten better though. So.
I think yeah, starting में मेरे भी बहुत it's like someone is punching through your asshole to your vagina. That
Wow.
feels
मेरे
the
इतने
worst.
इतने बुरे cramps नहीं.
Worse.
But I hope yours get better.
He's a 10 but calls you bro.
In like a bruh kind of a way.
No, bro.
Bruh?
Like bro,
Bro.
what's bro? Stop it here.
Bro, would that bother
Bro.
me? I mean,
Would that bother
it's
you? Your
bro.
boyfriend calling you bro?
That's weird. But will I leave him for it? No. That's weird.
But he's still
That's
a 10.
weird.
He's still a 10.
Yeah, so 10. I'll focus on the 10, bro.
Okay.
I'll also count how many times he's calling me.
At least he's not calling you behan.
Behan. Behan is a no.
He's
Bro,
calling you behan.
it's fine.
Then
Bro
तो
energy is better.
Bro is better behan.
Behan, नहीं behan.
Imagine your boyfriend saying behan क्या कर रही
Yeah,
है?
I'm like, what fantasies are you into? I'm not into that.
No, so
Yeah.
it's a no, and it's an end to our what's my type segment.
So our type is normal, basically.
Normal.
No
Yeah, my
red
type is
flag.
normal. Sometimes depends on the situation.
Correct.
What are your red flags? It's a different question.
I get very put off when men try very hard to be somebody they're not. By the way, when I mean effort is sexy, but when I mean too much effort, I mean trying to be somebody who you're not.
Who they're not.
Yeah, because you can tell immediately. I'm very attracted to confidence and someone who's very comfortable even laughing on themselves and just
Oh yeah,
being.
that's sexy,
So
I feel.
that's very sexy.
Even I get put off when men try to pretend to have more money than they actually have. Like, not pretend when they start bragging.
Yeah.
Ki, oh, my Rolls Royce is standing there, man. I just came with 2 gunners today. At fourth gunner was, you know,
I don't
he's
know men
gone
like
with
that
that.
at all. I'm
I
really
have
glad.
met men like
Really?
these, and I'm like, stop it. I just had to fly to London, you know. Just I wanted to try that viral strawberry thing. In India, it's shit, man. It's shit. So I went to London, you know.
You met a lot of them.
I-
Urfi's met a lot of them.
Some of them, and I was just like, okay. In every sentence, they had to tell me that, or the other girl,
Just
that,
name drop something.
you know, how I was partying with Rihanna, man. Rihanna, you know, yeah, I was chilling with her.
That's the flex in the
Yeah,
first
that's the-
5 minutes. Yeah,
It happens a lot.
nice.
But I think your type is someone who's simple, basic, not a very shosha or partying kind. Like,
Sounds so boring.
no, but come on, yeah. I also don't like shosha or partying kind.
I like to party, but not every day.
Not every day. No one can party every day, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, then I'm wrong. Maybe, okay, then you like maybe someone
First two are right. I mean, of course, that's
simple and basic.
basic. Now, I
Dal-
won't
you-
say
you
I
like
want
dal chawal.
basic.
Basic, matlab,
I like
someone
dal
who can
chawal, but I
enjoy
also like
dal chawal with
going
you.
out and eating. I think I like somebody who's, you know, not
is like-
people who are draining. I'm super enthu about things. I'm adventurous. I like somebody with genuine good energy. But I've also been attracted to introverts sometimes. So people who
Are
are
you attracted to
extrovert,
nerds?
yeah, I could be.
I love nerds.
Depends.
I'm like really into nerds, man. So I'm using this Type Beauty lipstick, which is on my lips. It's really nice.
Just a subtle
Yeah,
plug
yeah.
in. Yeah.
Type Beauty.
It's a cute shade.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So what genre do you like the most?
Because I've done a lot of dramas and thrillers thus far, I think right now I'm just vibing with rom-coms. I love a good
So now you want to do just
I want to
romantic
do
comedy.
a rom-com so bad. I want to do that palat. I want to like just have that
babe.
meltdown. I want to go on a road trip and then meet the love of my life.
Who do you want to work with in this genre?
Oh, I'd love to work with Ranveer Singh actually.
Yeah, he can do
Ranveer
it.
I think Ranveer is fantastic. I'd also love to work with Vijay Varma, Vicky Kaushal. They're so talented.
Vicky is nice. Yeah.
Vijay is also a very interesting actor, I feel.
He is.
And
So what's next for you? Rom-com or
next for me?
what have you? Is there some project coming that we should know about?
Depends when this releases, but so for me to talk about, but well, there is something that is seeing me in a very different avatar. It's perhaps the darkest character I've played, because usually I've played characters who are slightly morally righteous and trying to do the right thing, and this character is doing everything wrong.
You're the villain.
Villain is a very boring way of saying villain. Aise thodi na.
It's a grey character.
Grey is also boring. I'm just saying this character is making some really twisted choices. That's what I'll say.
interested in
Yeah, very twisted. So
This sounds interesting. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's not a villain. She's not a villain. She's not a grey character, but she's just making fucked up
she's-
choices.
And it's also period.
Oh,
And the look has like a Frida Kahlo vibe.
That
So
is-
it's
wow.
going to be fun. And I'm
Fashion-wise, it
focusing
would
on
be-
film work now. So I'm trying to do more films. I feel like I've done a lot of series. and
OTT, and now you want to do films.
I want to focus more, but it doesn't mean if I get a fantastic series with a part that reimagines me, I would do it. Because script achhi hai, to phir nothing else matters. Haan, then I'll do it.
Shreya, it was wonderful having
Thank
you here.
you.
तुमने बंक बहुत अच्छे से किया मेरे साथ.
मैंने कॉलेज में नहीं किया, बट
यहाँ
तुम्हारे
पे
साथ
आके
बंक किया है मैंने.
कैंटीन में फूड इतना अच्छा नहीं था आज हमारे.
मेरे कैंटीन में बहुत अच्छा था.
जेवियर का तो अमीर बाप के लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे.
Listen, नहीं,
हाँ, तो पता
यहाँ पैसे देके तो नहीं, वो तो
हमारा budget कम था
But
आज
I'm
पर.
going to take you to Xavier's
We can go like
sometime.
that.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
would
mind.
love to. If
I
you've
would
not seen my
I would
campus,
love to explore the campus.
it's the most beautiful library. Also, I'm telling you, it's like Hogwarts energy.
I would
I'm
love
gonna
it.
take you there.
अब जब हम कैंटीन और कॉलेज की बातें कर ही रहे हैं तो रिपोर्ट कार्ड तो जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
So I am going to give you your report card.
Go for it.
So were you a good scorer? मतलब,
school?
In school, college, whatever.
Yeah, art student, so it was chill.
Nice.
Yeah,
So let's see how did you do here. Okay. Fashion game. Come on, it's a 10 on 10. You're wearing antithesis. It's a 10 on 10. I love the top.
I don't know if the cameras will capture.
It's 10 on 10.
Thank you.
Love it.
Thank you.
Oh, sass. I think you're very confident, very sassy.
Okay. My pillow, मेरी बैक की lower back की pillow, just as she
मुझे
said
तो pillow ही नहीं
sassy,
दी.
मेरे lower back के लिए pillow ले ली
मुझे
मैंने.
pillow ही नहीं दी. I think sassy would be 9 on 10.
Okay.
मुंबईकर क्वेश्चन. ओ
अभी
you
मैं
are
मुंबईची मुलगी हूँ, तुम मुझे क्या दोगे मुंबई का क्वेश्चन? मैं
you-
तुम्हें दूंगी
yeah, you
मुंबई का
should be
क्वेश्चन.
rating
तुम्हारा
me.
आई थिंक कम है मुंबई का
What is
क्वेश्चन.
it?
हाँ, I
मला
don't-
मराठी आती है थोड़ी थोड़ी. I can understand मराठी by the way.
मुंबई का क्वेश्चन
No,
वन. नहीं नहीं,
I'm a
वन.
vada
उर्फी,
pav girl, bro.
वड़ा पाव is not just
I
Mumbai.
know, but I love Mumbai. Like I tell everyone, Mumbai is the best. I think I deserve.
Okay, fair. 5.
Oh, college queen. no. College queen पे अगर मुझे marks देने हो तुम्हें like, think yeah, you slayed it, man. You killed it. College, तुम college में अपने queen थी. 9 on 10. 9 on 10. Then, oh, दुनियादारी की. I think you're very intelligent. दुनियादारी की समझ. I think you're very intelligent. You're very smart. You make the right choices because
I try to, हमेशा नहीं.
no, but you know, even if you're not making the right choices, it's not the end of the world. That's what I really like about it. That's, I think, dunyadari, realizing that nothing is the end of the world, even when you make mistakes.
Yeah.
So I think I would give you 10 on 10 for that.
Thank you.
have
That
sco-
makes me so happy. This is a
High
very
scorer.
good. This has actually been my best report card. I think.
No, man.
Thanks,
shut up.
Ulfi.
You would have scored
It
like
was so
A plus
fun.
plus A.
Thank you.
Yeah,
मुझे
it
बहुत
was
मजा
fun.
आया. And let me just tell you that I have so much respect for you for the fact that you took something that the world was trying to pull you down for and you created something beautiful out of it. But that's inspiring to a lot of people. So
I hope if I can, then I'll be very happy. But my only agenda was to just chill in life, man.
और अभी audition करो
Yeah,
और
now I will.
acting करो.
I'll try. I'll
Yes.
take some. If I need some help, I'll message
Done,
you. That what
done,
do it.
done,
Done.
done.
Chalo. This is Bunk with Urfi. See you next time. Same bench, new vibe.